XIAOMI Mi A2 and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the upper bar twice, and here you can use the battery saver. So this is the simplest way to enable battery saver. As you can see, the red stripes pops up. You can disable the battery saver in the same way, and you can also find the battery saver in settings. So let me show you. Let's just open the settings, choose here battery. Here you've got some battery information, and here you can also enable battery saver, or you can tap on battery saver to read this information. Turn on battery saver will reduce device's performance, such as reduce the screen brightness and adjust sleep time and other stuff. So here you can also turn on automatically battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.